Hey guys, we're here at our shop at ECS, this time with Eva from Liqui Moly. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you.
And we're going to talk about coolant additives. So what do we have here today?
We got our Liqui Moly Radiator Cleaner. It protects and cleans the entire cooling system. It removes deposits such as sludge, grease, and scale.
Awesome. And how do you use it?
Oh, it's really simple. You just pour that entire can into your cooling system. You let your car idle for about 10 to 30 minutes. Make sure you keep your heater on, and then you just flush it out with water, and your cooling system is ready for new coolant.
So when should you be using this?
Well, we recommend at a minimum to use it whenever you're changing any parts in your cooling system, such as a thermostat, a radiator, or a water pump. You want to make sure that you have a clean environment for these brand new parts.
Awesome.
So here we got our Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak, and it will seal small leaks in your cooling system. Sometimes you have these external damages caused by rocks flying through your grill, or also internal damages. And as soon as you use this product, it will immediately seal these leaks.
Awesome. So how do you use it?
It's really simple. You just shake the can, add it into the cold coolant, and let the car run for 10 minutes.
Easy enough. So when should you be using this product?
Well, there's two options. You can either use it right away before you even have a leak, to make sure that once you do get that leak, that you have that protection right away and that sealant. Or you can, of course, add it once you have that leak to keep you longer on the track.
Awesome. All great info. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you.
If you guys want to try out any of these products, check out the links down in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming content.